All right, let's just go ahead and keep working. One thing it's really important that you want to do when you log in into your WordPress, you go to the dashboard and you might want to spend a minute or so to read some of the notes. WordPress is very good with actually notifying you about any of your software pieces or anything that's going on your website. Excuse me. Here, for instance, I get a message to say to make your site as secure as possible, take a moment to optimize. Then you get other notification, connect this one here. It's for website analytics. We're not there yet. And then you also get notifications if there are conflicts of any sort. I see them, but I'm not worried about these right now because our site is not really up and running at this moment. It's up and running, but we haven't even worked on a design yet. If we go on our website, the way Ticino Construction Design looks right now, yeah, there's not much on there. And that's the first thing that we're going to fix. Yeah, so what we're going to do is to actually make our website more presentable, and to actually load a web template, you go onto the appearance button here, click here where it says add new, then you scroll down and then you actually get a lot of options, selections of different websites, of how many you can have. Well, this page only fits so many, but then you can go and say I want to see popular websites. I guess it's based on how many people install these. Yeah, again, there are thousands and thousands of web templates you can install, and don't make the mistake to really, I mean, they all look very enticing, but you can spend hours and days to go through every one and never get anything done. So we're going to move forward. We're going to use a template that I'm very familiar with. It's called Customify. Have used this for some time. I'm very happy with this. So this will actually work for what we are trying to do. And what you have to do then, you're going to install it. All you do is hit the install button. Alright, so when you install something, here we get a message that says thanks for installing Customify. So here it says to take full advantage of the best our theme can offer, please make sure you visit our Customify option pages or option page. So we might get some extra templates, and we're going to click on here. We need to actually go down here where it says Customify ready to import sites. So we can actually look at this right now to see what has come with. Here it says recommended plugins. You may not be familiar with some of them, but the Elementor Page Builder is a very important plugin.
Introducing Elementor, the most advanced front-end and totally free page builder. With Elementor, you're able to create high-end, pixel-perfect designs for any page. Whether it's a homepage, contact, portfolio, or landing page, it's the easiest way to turn your thoughts and ideas into a live website. Now, we could mention its revolutionary instant drag and drop. We could tell you about how it works perfectly on any theme and on any page. We could explain about the vast control you get over every small styling detail. We could show you examples of the kind of high-end page designs you can expect to reach. There's a lot we can tell you about Elementor, but why should we? It's free. So try it out and start building beautiful WordPress websites today.
Type here Elementor, and it's been installed by 4 million people. So we're just gonna install it. And then we're gonna activate it. So this one actually, again, that's a great thing with great plugins. You can click it here and you get a demo.
Welcome to Elementor. This is Cassie. In this video, you'll learn the first steps to page building with Elementor. We'll begin by adding a new page in your WordPress dashboard.
And that's the greatest thing about WordPress, because you're getting so many free tools. You really don't have to pay for them. I mean, they're free. And then people go there and make tutorials. So we don't need to create a first page. We're just gonna be happy that we installed the plugin. So I'm gonna exit out. So then I go back to plugins, for instance, and you can see here's the plugin. So here's basically where we were earlier. We could have installed the Elementor plugin right there, but then just want to show you that there are different ways to get around. It would have been easier. So here it says Customify is a free add-on for Customify themes, which helps you to browse, import ready-made websites with a few clicks. Well, we don't need this here. We just click on install. And then we're going to activate it as well. Right, so we can go on to the view site library and actually these were all created by Customify. This one, again, we previewed this earlier, and we could go ahead and actually install that. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And it will help us to install this particular theme. We're going to just go ahead and start importing. So here actually prompts me to add some more plugins to it. The WooCommerce. WooCommerce is for e-commerce, where you sell any of your products online. We could install it right there, but again, that's not what we're going to do. We can also do it later. We don't need that. We already installed that. So I'm just going to skip that. And here lets you import content to your website to get you more familiar with the theme. It's kind of a pre-filled thing. So if you want to learn about websites, you can go through these all, but again, you're adding more onto it. It's pre-filled content, and later down the line, you have to delete all this stuff. So we're not gonna mess with that. We're gonna start professionally, as we really know what we're doing here. So we're gonna skip. So it says this step will import the theme options, customize options, widgets options. Yeah, I'm not sure what these options are, but I'm okay with, say, here, just go ahead and install the options. The nice thing about WordPress is you can always delete things afterwards. That's a good thing. So we're going to install that.